Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I clean my beauty blenders, including the Juno microfiber sponge. Now first I like to fill up a cup with hot water just to kind of loosen up all the makeup or particles, whatever's in your beauty blender, your powders and everything, just let that sit. Then I'm going to take my Dial Gold bar, and this is the only bar I use, is antibacterial as well. And I just scrub it on the bar, and I like to run water at the same time so I can rinse it off and scrub without having to turn on and off the water. But you just want to keep rinsing and scrubbing until when you squeeze it, it's straight clear. Now I wanted to show you guys in real time so that way you can see how quick and easy this process is. I swear, using this bar has been really a game changer. Even works on brushes. Like soon as makeup hits this sponge, this soap, it just dissipates quick and simple. And see, and for stubborn spots, like I like to just kind of go back, but it's pretty much clean. The suds are white. And for stubborn spots, just go right back into it. Now I do find the microfiber sponge is a little bit harder to clean. It takes a little bit longer. So if you have a regular sponge, which I'll show you after this, same process, it's a lot quicker. And I packed on a lot of foundation onto this sponge because it was already clean. And I clean my beauty blenders right before I use them. I don't clean it after because I'd be ready to go. You know, I got things to do. But, but this is my routine usually before I do my makeup. Now, like I said, it got off extremely fast. And this is the Real Techniques face sponge or body sponge. So this is the extra large one, and I know it's ripped, don't mind that. My boyfriend tried to clean it. I guess he squeezed it too hard, and once it kind of ripped, I just pull it off the other side, which I can hold it better. But anyways, this process is so much easier, and I'm done. Like, it's really that simple. It's clean. It's the bacteria is gone. Like, this is really the only way I clean my beauty blenders. I tried with the dish soap, baby shampoo, and it just took a lot longer. Like, that literally took 15 seconds, and it's clean. So you guys, I hope this works, and let me know if you've tried this. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.